Aicer nuopoto deshasia Aingito Naka PLE okarlo ilukumini yare akaisare yare koto madokta na sodit ko district alo kata kui kesingun ija uneneta ina nakneta kanede jaya tupitone President retired Major Jessica Alupo epel. Akiron wa Aingito Naka PLE na ikari lukumini yare akaisare yare no abwa minister na Shoman Janet Kataham 7 kolacho sabit ni yare lua tuboros kesike untosebe e district alo kata kwenye sabu wa pedoa itutubidwe akwatata kaisaka nyidiope koto madokta na sodit kitiriani ka kaisakany okarlo ilukumini yare akaisare idiope. Alupo ngese yala manoi kanuda itubelo a jokan lokaidue kotomo district alo kata kwe kitiriani kedai karlu atuboroso kau.
We are here with a landmark of 151 pupils for the whole district. We may not be saying that that is the best, but what we are saying is that we have come from far. We are now here and we are determined to move further, whether tripling the number which we have this year. All these are stars, but there are again more stars. One girl from our Jabul and one boy from Okokorio. I want to invite you, the best girl among all the children who passed in Division 1, and again the best boy among all the children who passed in Division 1. I want to invite you here and award you in a special way.
Abuda ili papolo ko icholongo luka PTA SMCs aimori kikine pekera apolo ko isemeroi kengare no kadoke tanu egelegela kanuda wa ikiao na Dr. na Shoman Kotomano district aloko katakui.
As you, the PTA and SMC, you are the mirrors of the school. I encourage you to be good mirrors who take care of all the pupils in the school and make sure that no one is left, so that they can also emulate our route, how we moved from where they are now up to where we are. So we do not only come to give awards to these very intelligent children, but we also come here as role models, physical role models for them, especially the girl children, for them also to see that a young girl at one time was in Aputon Primary School and again went to Kangole Girls Senior Secondary School, then Ngora High School and Makerere University. Those are all humble schools. Humble schools where many of the students are going to. So we want to come here and show you that it is possible for you to excel, because we have done it and we are now your example.
Kanoka TV East, Alexander Makeyo Kori.